Lens clean. Excuse me, pardon me, pardon me. YouTube, it's your boy T the Barber back with another video. In this video, I will be unboxing the man himself, Lopes Cut It signature clipper. Before we get into this, if you're not familiar with Lopes Cut It is a world-renowned barber known for his crazy, bold, unique designs, hairstyle, and haircuts in color. He's a barber out of Chicago. I came wind of him on Instagram. That's where I know him from. Start watching his videos and watch what he do, man, and I'm like, this cat is elite. He's one of the dopest barbers, one of many dopest barbers that I follow. So yeah, I seen these clippers and I had to get them. But before I knew they was Lopes Cut It clippers, I seen the clippers itself at first. And then I started looking more into it and I found out they was Lopes Cut It clippers. So I was like, man, like, that's crazy, you know, to be a barber and to have your own signature clippers, to have the opportunity to be able to have your own signature clippers. That's crazy. That being said, let's pop these things open, man. Let's waste no time. Let's waste no time. And I'm gonna tell y'all what got me. What's the color? The black and red go well with my shop. And hold on, man. Let me put these down real quick. Let's not forget the person that designed this box, man. This is crazy, man. The guys Lopes Cut It, got the line behind them with the flames. This design is crazy, which is it's dope because like it gives me ideas for when I'm doing my barber tutorials or my vlogs or my skits of different type of ways, you know, just ideas of thumbnails, how to create my thumbnails, you know, gives me just crazy ideas. So what's the name? Maxi Foam. That's the guy that designed the box. So shout out to him, man. Shout out to Lopes Cut It. You know, getting your own clippers, man. That's dope. You know what I'm saying? I definitely support. One thing I definitely do, I definitely support my barbers, man. I support anybody that's doing their own. You know what I'm saying? And you know, that's just me. You support people, they'll support you. So one thing you can't do, you can't support somebody and expect them to support you back. You know what I'm saying? So if you're gonna support somebody, support them because you support them. You know what I mean? You heard? I just threw that in there because I felt like it needed to be said at that moment. Anyways, let's pop these things open. Set that right there. By the way, I'm keeping that box. Normally when I get clippers, I throw the box away. And these are a limited edition, man. And that box is fire. Got to keep that box. You know what I mean? And let's go show them. So once you get the clippers, these how they would look. Got the red Babyliss symbol and got the red bottoms. Y'all catch that? Red symbol, red bottoms. Red, okay. Anyway, scratch that. So these are how they look. Look, they already charged, man. They already charged. You know what I'm saying? I feel lucky. You know what I'm saying? How they sound, man. Strong. Powerful. Woo. So yes, man. That's how they would look. And let me go ahead and read off the box real quick. I should have did that at first, but anyways, it is what it is. It is what it is. So basically, looks like the blade is different. The blade is different. They got the DLC Diamond Like Carbon Deep Tooth 2.0 T blade. You know what I mean? So the blade is definitely all the blades on the. I have the gold ones and I also have the silver ones as well. And to me, it seems like the brand of the blade is different. Got the high torque brushless engine and the all metal hosing, the lithium ion lithium-ion battery runs up to 2 hours. So, like I said, it has some of the same similarities as the gold and the silver. It looks like to me it has different blade, and it also have the new textured rubber handle, which is cool because when I got my when I got the gold ones and silver ones, they didn't have the rubber handle. You know, you had to buy that. You had to buy them from Babyliss to get the rubber. Put the rubber handle on the gold and silver ones, because they didn't come with that, which is dope. Because these come with the grip already attached, which is fire. They feel good in your hand, man. You know what I mean? Smooth. You know, I'm ready to cut one right now as we speak. You know what I mean? Let me see some. Keep your head straight. You know what I mean? But anyways, man, I was excited to get these, and I was excited to show them off. I seen a few unboxing already, but I was like, man, the hell with it. Do your own unboxing. You know what I'm saying? Do it your way. You feel me? So, I'm not the first to do the unboxing. Won't be the last to do the unboxing. But I definitely had to do it because I was excited, man, that I was geeked to show, you know, show them. So, man, I will be in the shop tomorrow, and I definitely will be using these. Again, shout out to Los Cut It. Shout out to Babyliss. Also, shout out to Maxi Funk, the guy that designed the box, man. That's these clippers, man. I done shut the box already. I ain't even put the clippers down. You know what I mean? That's telling you something. And I'm gonna tell y'all, man, the guy that put me on the Babyliss trimmers was my boy Showtime, aka Drake. Showtime_ the barber. Look him up on Instagram, man. He's another dope barber. But he put me on to Babyliss clippers. He put me on to the gold ones at first, and then I seen the silver. I'm gonna say platinum, but they silver. But I'm gonna say platinum. So I seen the platinum ones, and then I got those. So once I got the gold ones, I just had to have the platinum ones. I just had to have it. You know what I'm saying? It's not no want, it's a need. It's a got to have. You know what I mean? So definitely had to get them. And when I seen these, speechless, man. What can I say? You know what I mean? One thing about barbers, man, like, I know for me being a barber, seeing new tools, new equipment, you know what I mean, new product, it's like a kid in a candy store. It's like give me that. Hold this for me. I want this too. Give me that too. You know what I mean? It's kid in the candy store. You can't help it, man. As much as I try to say, man, I don't need no more clippers, I'm gonna grab me some more clippers. If I like it and I want it, I'ma get it. Straight like that. That being said, before I end the video, I'm about to end the video already. I just wanted to show the clippers. But if you're not familiar with Babyliss trimmers, I keep saying clippers, Babyliss trimmers, I'm gonna just go ahead and show y'all what comes inside when you get it. Alright. You know, I ain't letting these clippers drop. They right here, so they ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you. You get the, of course, you get the charging cord. So you get the charging cord. In this small little bag, you get the clipper blade covered, so you won't damage the blade. You also get the oil, the brush, and the zero gap. The zero gap tool, the zero gap it. Set it the way you want to set it. And you also got a Phillips screwdriver up in there to do any minor tune-ups, you know, that you need to as well. You know what I mean? And I think dope because you have the red bottom, but you also have the black bottom. You can switch up the shoes on that thing. You know what I mean? Switch up the shoes. You know what I'm saying? You got red or you got the black. You know what I'm saying? You got a choice now. You used to have no choice. You know what I mean? So that being said, man, I'm gonna go ahead and, man, I love this grip. Oh my God. Anyways, that's enough of that, man. That's enough of that. That being said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, man. Definitely, man, Babyliss, they hit different. No disrespect to Andis. I've been an Andis fan for years, but something about Babyliss, man, she just hit different. It's like a punch in a punch. You know what I mean? You know, nothing else to say on that. You know what I'm saying? The clippers speak for themselves. But anyway, I ain't gonna hold y'all, man. TC the Barber. If you're new to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that thumbs up button. Definitely help my channel grow. And also that notification bell from when I drop new skits, new tutorials, new vlogs. It will let you know when I drop it. TC the Barber, yours truly. I'm out. Peace.